Welcome to Gaggia UK. We are the UK importer of Gaggia coffee machines, supplying the full range of premium automatic and manual espresso makers. Take a look around the website and see what suits you. We have the flagship Velasca automatic machine as well as the iconic classic manual machine. In addition to machines, we also stock a range of coffee and accessories to help you tune your espresso exactly to how you like it. All of our new machines come with a 2-year warranty, and with our repair centre and expert engineers we'll make sure you're taken care of. We are also available on the phone should you have any questions or worries about your Gaggia experience. Call us on 01422 372 554 if you'd like to talk to us. If you're not sure which machine you'd like, why not come and see us in person? We have stores in Braintree, Northampton and Castleford, as well as the showroom in West Yorkshire, where you can experience the full range of our machines and sample our gourmet coffees. If you're looking to improve your barista skills, you've also come to the right place. We run barista courses at all our stores, and there is also our extensive library of expert help and maintenance videos available right here on the website if you're after help now. However you take your coffee, we're very happy you chose to take it with us. Welcome to Gaggia UK.